Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno pop5 using NCK without using buttons. So please subscribe this channel for more tech videos if you'd like to be helped out. So what you do, you put in the NCK and open Spectrum. After that you enter the icon while the phone is off. Before doing anything, then you put in the USB. See, they are showing the Spectrum U2 has been confirmed. Then here you click OK. After clicking on factory reset, then you put in the USB and connect the phone to the computer. So it will format the phone. You wait for it until it formats the phone. Sometimes it takes some time, but you have just to be patient and wait for it. It has now formatted the phone totally. When you check on the phone, then you wait for the phone to come on. Sometimes it stays long on this stage, but you have to be patient. You see, it's erasing all the data. Be patient and wait for it until it finishes. You see, now we click on start and set up wizard of this phone to finish it and start the phone normally like a new phone. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more tech videos.